Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Airtable with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to log in to Claude, then you're going to click Customize on the left hand side, then you're going to select Connectors, then you're going to click the plus symbol, Browse Connectors, and then you can use the search bar to find Airtable. You're going to select Airtable, and on the top right hand side you're going to click Connect, and you're going to log in to Airtable, and that's how you can link Claude with Airtable. Now, before you get started, pay attention to everything under Tools. So these are some functions that Claude can perform together with Airtable. For example, create a field, create records for table, update table, list tables. And once you link Claude with Airtable, you can also ask Claude how else it can help you to work with this tool. So that's all. That's how you can connect Claude with Airtable. One more time, you go to Customize Connectors, New Connector, Browse Connectors, find Airtable, you log in, and that's it. That's all for this video. Once again, thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.